Well, this box, I am so happy. This is an amazing Ipsy Ultimate. I had to get it right. Formerly Ipsy Icon, Ipsy Ultimate for November 2025. Amazing. I am so happy with this box. Let's get into it. 8 Faces. They are cruelty-free. Have you heard of this brand before? Oh, I was so excited to get this one because I've never heard of it. And 8 Faces. There is, let's see, there is a little bit of a scent. It's almost like a citrus was the first thing that came into mind. Well, that feels really, really nice. I mean, for that price tag, it should. Am I right? 30 milliliters. And yes, look at that price tag, $108. Whoa, look at, I got a little too much, but don't worry, I'm not going to waste it. But, okay, so this side has it on and this side doesn't. Wow. You can really tell a difference. Ooh, I am excited to be using this one. On their website, this got 4.91 stars out of 5. Incredible Magic Serum. I think for that price, it better be magic. Says it smells and feels wonderful. From Dr. Jart. This is the Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. Helps diminish the look of fine, dry lines. Has a retail price of $44 for 0.5 fluid ounce. 4.7 stars on Sephora's website out of 328 reviews. 96% of the people said that they would recommend this. Sensitive skin, I don't know. But other people loved it, said it's lightweight, a staple in their skincare routine. Ipsy is gifted to me. I'm so thankful for Ipsy for sending this over for me to try, to show you guys what comes in the Ipsy Ultimate, formerly the Ipsy Icon. Thank you so much. From Persona, this is the mascara, a tubing mascara. Now I am not going to open this because I do have a few open right now, but I will definitely do an update at some point. But this is a tubing mascara. If you want to know what the difference between a tubing mascara and a regular mascara is, I do have an in-depth video that'll pop up at the end here. But a tubing mascara, the biggest difference is the removal process, because you just need water to remove it, and it's little tubes that surround each lash, and it's so much easier to remove. If you try to remove it with a makeup remover like an oil base, you're not going to have luck. So you have the Ipsy Original, which was the Ipsy Glam Bag. That is $14 per month, and you get 5 sample deluxe size products. Once in a while, though, there is a full size in there. The Ipsy Extra, which used to be Boxycharm, is $32 a month, and you get 5 full size products. Ipsy Ultimate, which used to be Ipsy Icon, is a quarterly box, and that is $65 a quarter, and you get 8 products in there. Now, each of these, no matter which one you go to, there is a $1.99 handling fee. Just keep that in mind. Choice for the Ipsy Original opens around the 20th of each month, and choice for Ipsy Extra and the Ipsy Ultimate, when that's happening in the quarter, is the 1st of each month. This is a great way to try out products that you may never have heard of, or that you wouldn't want to spend the money for that individual product, but you get to try it in your box. So yay on that. Wouldn't this be so much fun and amazing as a gift for that makeup lover in your life? You get skincare, makeup, there's hair care products, sometimes there's makeup brushes, fragrances. So yes, I love getting it. And this palette, yay, this is the Yucca palette, $69 value, such pretty colors. And what do you think about the eye look that I recreated from her website? Did I do a good job? Let me know. I was really happy how it was packaged, wrapped in the corrugated cardboard, in the box, in the Ipsy Icon our Ipsy Ultimate box, so very happy with how it was shipped. Also from Natasha Denona, this is the Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. And in the spoilers, this did get some mixed reviews. And I think that I agree with some of the reviews, or most of the reviews. It's very nice. Goes on, very nice highlighter. It doesn't look too chunky or anything. But I will agree that I feel like the whole like rose pink and green shades, I'm not really picking it up from here. I don't know. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Nice champagne color. I think it's a, I think I like applying with the fingertips better. I feel like I get a little bit more control of it. Okay, that's one way. It says for a 3D glass skin effect, apply it all over the foundation or over a cream highlighter. Okay, I want to use a powder brush because I don't want to look like, let's see. What do you think? Can you see a difference between this side? Does it look like a little bit more shimmery, glowing glass skin rather than this side? In person, I'm not really seeing a difference. Although I didn't apply a lot, so, or apply to the apples of the cheek with a fluffy blush brush. I think that, I guess so. I think the best way that I'm going to use it is as a highlighter. If you're getting value out of this video and you love beauty and fashion content, I usually like to really focus on the more mature woman because I myself am in my late 40s. Just turned 49. Hello. But I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free to do. I won't spam you. It just will make my face, my videos pop up in your subscription feed. I would greatly appreciate it. I am trying to reach my YouTube goal of having 5,000 YouTube friends by the end of the year. So it would be wonderful if you would help me achieve that goal. Because you know what? I know that there's a lot of you that watch my videos that are not subscribed. So, why? What would it do to get you to hit that subscribe button? I'd love to know. Another Natasha Denona. This is the Golden Glimmer Gloss Lip Plumper. Very, very pretty. This lip plumper by Natasha Denona got such mixed reviews. It's Golden Glimmer Gloss Lip Plumper. Some people said it did nothing, and some people said it burned. So I am very interested to see how this is gonna be. It does have a little bit of scent to it. It smells a little bit hot, spicy. Okay, I should have said, here's my top lip before. Here's how the lips are looking just after applying. I'm not feeling anything yet. A few minutes after that, it wasn't unbearable and it didn't hurt, but there was definitely some tingling. It didn't last a whole long. I think that I saw maybe a little bit of plumping, not a huge drastic thing, but maybe a little bit, I don't know. For eyeliner, this is Bisha. This was not on the spoilers, an Essential Eye Designer Duo. And this is a liquid eyeliner. I was having a mind block. A liquid eyeliner in Downtown Black and Uptown Brown. A lipstick from Laura Mercer. The Caviar Smoothing Matte Lipstick, and the color is 610 Matte Blush Chenille. And I really like this packaging. I love the magnetic container, just love that. And it almost feels like this is bigger than your normal, like your normal, oh yeah, it is quite So this is a MAC lipstick, and as you can see, this is quite a bit bigger, round. I like it, very nice. There is a little bit of a scent I noticed when I was putting it on, and it has LM in the lipstick part. It's almost like, I don't know if it's a little bit of a floral. You know, okay. You know what I'm talking about when like some expensive things have kind of that scent, and it just always makes me feel, it's like fancy stuff scent. I don't know if that makes a difference, but like high end, that's what it reminds me of, but very creamy to apply. Can you guess what the value is? Like, this is a good box, isn't it? Again, this is why I feel like if you were, I mean, I know that the Ultimate is a quarterly box, but if you were to gift this, I mean, if somebody was to give this to me, I would be like, I would be so happy, because this box, all right, the price of this, just a refresher, is $65 plus a $1.99 handling fee. So $66.99. The value of this box, are you ready? $419. Yeah, I think that is an awesome, and everything I'm going to try. I mean, yeah. Would I go out and purchase those items for those price tags? A lot of them, no. But am I very happy to have them? Yes. And excited to try them? Yes. So yay. Thank you so much for watching. To see what the difference really in depth about the different formulas of mascara, click this video here. If you want to see what other spoilers are, other options that could have come in the box, then you can click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.